Hello, we'll make a script in Python to move automatically your cursor in any operating system, Windows or Linux. This with the intention of having activity in your computer without you to be there. For example, to keep an active status in your chat system of your work or anything you may need. So first we'll need three libraries. Import UI pyautogui pg. If you don't have this installed, you can use it. The pip install py pyautogui, or maybe pip3, depends of the version you have. Then the second one is going to be import time to make some time manipulations. And the third is going to be the random to generate some random numbers or positions. Okay, so we'll make a infinite loop with while true, and we're gonna generate a random position for the x pixels position. Let's call it xrand position equals random dot rand, and we'll give a range of 0 till here. Depends of your screen resolution, but with this is enough. You can use any number, and then we'll make a for loop for I in range. This to make the repetition of the movement. We'll do it 100 times, and then we'll call our library pyautogui as pg, and we'll use a function called move_to. Move_to takes two parameters, x and y. X will use the one that we have, random position. I use the random to, in case you have any monitoring, you'll have like a kind of human interaction, not too robotic, so that's why. And then the y parameter, we're going to make it movable. It's going to be the I of the 4 times 5 to move it faster. And then another thing we can do is another for loop for I in range. We'll do it 3 times. To press a key, we use the library pg.press, and I'll use the control key. In the library documentation you have other keys like shift or other things. So I use control because control is not harmful, as well as shift, and with it you will have interaction. If you only need the movement of the cursor, with this will be enough. And one more thing is the sleep time. The end of the while, I'll use a time.sleep, and I will put 10 seconds. You can put a longer time sleep, like for example 5 minutes or 10 minutes, to have it repeatedly so often. So for testing purposes this will be enough. So let's try it. So as you can see, it took the x random position and it's moving until the for loops ends, and then it's waiting for 10 seconds and it will repeat it again. Okay, as you can see, the x position took another position in the random. So with this you'll have interaction with your computer without using every time you want it. Okay, that's it.